Hello, and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation, a weekly podcast from Mindful that offers mindfulness meditations backed by neuroscience. Research shows that just 12 minutes of meditation a day can yield benefits like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. So on this podcast, we invite you to explore 12-minute guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. I'm Siri Myram, editor at Mindful. It's not always an instinctual go-to for us, but self-compassion is actually one of the most powerful forms of healing and restoration for our mental and physical well-being. In this meditation, mindfulness teacher Shamash Alidina offers 3 ways to show compassion to yourself when you're stressed and need a reset. This practice comes as a special sneak peek into the upcoming course, The 7 Strengths. Along with a team of teachers, including Shamash, Melli O'Brien is leading this live, free, 7-day online course designed to give you a practical framework for inner strength so you can meet these uncertain times with more calm, clarity, flexibility, and empowerment. Get more information and register for free at mindfulness.com/the-7-strengths. Shamash Alidina has been practicing mindfulness since 1998 and runs his own successful training organization. He is the author of Mindfulness For Dummies and, most recently, The Mindful Way Through Stress. Based in London, he runs online trainings and speaks at conferences all over the world. Ready to practice? Here's Shamash Alidina.
Welcome. It's lovely to have you here. Let's take these 12 minutes to step out of the doing mode and into the being mode. Start by finding a posture that feels like a hug for your body. Whether you're sitting or lying down, see if you can be 1 or 2% more comfortable. Maybe that means a cushion behind your back or unclenching your jaw just a fraction. Now let's take a deep, slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine you're letting go of the day's to-do list. Just let it drop to the floor for now. It'll still be there later if you really want it. But for now, you're off duty. Notice the state of your nervous system. Is it buzzing? Is it tight? Whatever you find, see if you can greet it with a bit of curiosity rather than judgment. Instead of saying, I shouldn't feel stressed, try saying, oh, that's interesting. Stress is visiting me right now. That's okay. It'll pass in time. Now let's bring some kindness to the physical body. Our nervous systems often get stuck in high alert because they're trying to protect us. Let's send a signal that it's safe to rest. Begin by bringing awareness to your lower abdomen. Inviting it to soften So as you breathe in, it gently expands. And as you breathe out, it gently contracts. If it feels okay with you, placing a hand over your heart, or if you prefer, cradling one hand in the other. Feel the warmth and the gentle pressure. This isn't just a gesture. It actually releases oxytocin, the body's natural soothing chemical. As you gently bring awareness to your breath, no need to breathe perfectly. Just feeling the breath moving in and out, like the tide of the ocean. Each inhale is a gift of energy, and each exhale is an opportunity to release. You could say, breathing in, I know that I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I gently smile to my nervous system. When we're overwhelmed, we tend to isolate. So let's practice the 3 steps of self-compassion together. Step 1, mindfulness. Acknowledge any struggle that you're going through right now. Silently say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering, or this is really tough right now. Don't minimize it. You're validating your own experience. Step 2, common humanity. Remind yourself that you aren't alone. Thousands of people feel exactly like this right now. This buzzing feeling or heaviness feeling is part of being human. You're part of the big, messy, beautiful club. The club of humanity. And now step 3, self-kindness. And now step 3, self-kindness. Ask yourself the magic question. How can I be kind to myself right now? Maybe you need to hear the words, it's going to be okay, or you're doing the best you can. Say these words to yourself. with the warmth you'd use for a dear friend, or perhaps to a little puppy that's struggling. Now just sitting in this stillness for a moment. If your mind wanders, which it will because that's what minds do, just gently, playfully invite it back. Imagine a golden light of kindness radiating from your heart, filling up your chest, your limbs, and the space around you. You're creating a buffer zone of peace. The nervous system is gently recalibrating, shifting from fight or flight to rest and digest and restore. You don't have to earn this rest. You deserve it simply because you exist. So now when you're ready, as we gradually come to the end of this short journey, giving your fingers and toes a little wiggle, and try to carry this kindness muscle with you into the rest of your day. If things get hectic later, remember you can always come back to that soft lower abdomen or that gentle hand on your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time. It's a radical act of kindness to stop and breathe. When you're ready, gently opening your eyes, having a good stretch, and perhaps giving yourself a little smile.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us today. Sign up for our free newsletter at mindful.org/signup, and if you'd like to explore additional related content and meditations, check the show notes for links.